There are about 84 lakh species in the world, and we are also the part of the nature. But all other creatures has no diseases like human has. Human has nearly 22,000 diseases from birth till death. So what is the real cause for the disease? Why no animal living in the forest has no diseases like arthritis, BP, asthma, diabetes? No animal needs doctor's help. No animal goes to a hospital. No animal undergoes any surgery, no medication, nothing. Why we human need so much of medical intervention? We need doctors, we need lifelong medication, we need a lot of surgeries, and we are going behind doctors and hospitals. So the very important thing we forget is we don't know how to eat, what to eat, and when to eat. See, our body is designed in such a way that 80% digestion has to take place in your mouth, and only 20% digestion can take place in your stomach. We are the only creature who do exactly opposite how nature is created. Because our stomach or intestine does not have any teeth-like structure, it cannot break down the food particles. So 80% digestion has to take place in your mouth. Today 98% of diseases that human has because wrong food habits, poor eating habits, wrong lifestyle. Because of these poor eating habits, we tend to have so many diseases like obesity, high BP, high blood sugar, asthma, joints pain, neck pain, back pain. So many diseases we have because we don't know how to eat. Today I'll show you how to eat. You just follow this and we can reverse diabetes by just following this, and we can reduce weight without doing any exercise by just following this particular eating habits. Because the food has to be digested properly before it reaches your stomach, because saliva is the only thing which can digest all the sugars. Today diabetes is called as a disease. Diabetes is not a disease, and it is very easily reversible by just changing your eating habits. So just because we don't know how to eat, the sugars in the food is not digested properly, and it goes directly into stomach and into bloodstream. The poor quality sugar, indigested sugar, is what we call it as diabetes. If you don't chew properly, the food you eaten is converted into fat and it becomes poison. So the primary cause for all the disease is accumulation of waste and morbid matter in the system. So the accumulation is caused by poor eating habits, and we don't know how to eat and when to eat and what to eat. So today I'll show you demo how to eat. You just follow this 100%. So we can reverse diabetes, and we can reduce weight, and we can reverse thyroid problems, back pain, you name any disease we can reverse by just following this eating habits. Those who have a diabetes, high BP, overweight, and so many illnesses is just because of the many people they are eating like this. They chew for 4 or 5 times, then they swallow just like that. So this is not the right way of eating, and I'll show you how to eat. This is the way we should eat. Whatever we eat, it should become proper tasteless liquid. Once it is become tasteless, we have to drink the food and eat the water. So we should not swallow the food, because all the enzymes which digest the food, the primary digestion takes place in your mouth, and saliva is the first and foremost digestive enzyme that we should properly use it. We have to close our mouth so that we have to chew properly. Once it is become tasteless, and we have to drink it. When you drink the food, it becomes medicine. When you swallow the food, it becomes poison. So this is what causes diabetes, acidity, indigestion, gastritis, overweight, asthma, thyroid related problems, and all sorts of joints pain. It starts because we don't know how to eat. The basic principles in naturopathy, we have to eat only when we are hungry, because when we eat food when the digestive system is not ready, so that food will become poison. So we have to eat food always when you are hungry. Chew food properly like you've seen in the video, so that it becomes tasteless liquid. You have to drink the food, and whenever you eat food, we should not drink water during meals and immediately after meals. So when you chew properly, we don't need to drink water. We don't feel the urge to drink water. So drinking water during meals will makes your food diluted, so digestion will not take place, and that leads to overweight, diabetes and so many other diseases. From today onwards, you follow these basic principles in naturopathy. You have to eat only when you are hungry and chew properly. Don't drink water during meals. Avoid late night dinner. These are all the basic principles we should follow in naturopathy. We can reverse or prevent any kind of diseases or illnesses by just following these basic principles, because we are part of the nature, because our body doesn't know what is a disease. Just because our eating habits, food habits, lifestyle is, just because there is a lot of irregularities in food habits, eating habits and our lifestyle, we humans tend to have so many diseases that all the diseases can be reversible by just following these eating habits and our lifestyle. So we should not drink water during meals and immediately after meals. There is a way we should drink water. Our tongue has to get drenched with water, and even the water or juices we have to chew for 10-15 times. I'll show you how to drink water. This is the way we should drink water. Just imaginary bites. There is nothing to chew. You have to chew for sometimes so that it get drenched with saliva properly. So saliva is the only thing which can extract all the minerals and all the nutrients from the water we drink and juices we drink. So this is the way we should drink water. See, high blood sugar or high BP can be easily controlled by changing these eating habits, like you seen in the video. Because you have all the medicines inside in your mouth and you are looking outside, so it is not necessary to control something artificially. Our body is designed in such a way that our body has every divine knowledge to control your blood sugar. Your body knows how to control your blood sugar, so we should not control artificially by taking some medication. So you just follow these eating habits and proper lifestyle, food habits, so all your disease can be reversed.